Hi guys, how is it going? I will explain how to make load data select using Ajax.php. Let's to do it. First, prepare index files and jQuery files, and you can follow the steps as follow and watch carefully. Copy the jQuery name to the file index, and you can following this source code step by step. In this connection file, please adjust the name of your database in FMIDMIN. And this is my database, and my table. You can see it and then input the database name to the connection file. And this the data that I will display using Ajax select option. And create a data file to call the table on the database. And this the data that I will display using Ajax select option. And finished, load data select option using Ajax.php. We have successfully made. You can pause this video if you want coding this source code, and thank you.